Tonight, the U.S. Department of Justice announces it is suing the state of Texas over new political maps drawn during the redistricting process. The Justice Department says the maps are discriminatory and violate the Voting Rights Act.
CBS Austin's Christian Flores is live at the Texas Capitol tonight with why the federal government is now getting involved. Christian?
The Department of Justice lawsuit now makes at least 5 lawsuits against Texas over the new political maps, joining civil rights groups in the fight. Each lawsuit charges Texas with diluting the voting power of Black and Hispanic voters in the state. Now today, U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland and Associate Attorney General Vanita Gupta said the DOJ is suing because Texas broke the law, specifically the Voting Rights Act. This is the first year Texas took part in the redistricting process since Congress removed the provision in the Voting Rights Act requiring states with discriminatory histories like Texas to get federal approval before approving new political maps. As part of their constitutional duties to redraw political boundaries based on new census data in a process known as redistricting, state lawmakers approved new maps that decreased Hispanic and Black majority districts in their congressional map. This is despite the fact Texas gained 2 new congressional seats because the state grew by 4 million people, 95% of whom were people of color.
The redistricting plans approved by the Texas state legislature and signed into law by the governor will deny Black and Latino voters an equal opportunity to participate in the voting process and to elect representatives of their choice in violation of the Voting Rights Act.
We reached out to both the Texas House and Senate Republican caucuses, as well as the Republican lawmakers who served as chairs for each chamber's redistricting committee. Both caucuses actually did not have a comment at this time. Now, the DOJ is also asking the courts to delay the March primary elections until this challenge for these new maps are heard and done with. Now, tonight at 6:30, we'll also go into further detail into what the DOJ is alleging Texas did with these new political maps. Reporting live from the Texas Capitol, Christian Flores, CBS Austin News.